So here we are today. We're heading out to the barn. Gonna take a look at the animals. I think Eddie's making something in here. What are you making in the shed today?
I'm making a little old-fashioned cabinet.
You are?
Yeah.
What do you plan on doing with it?
I don't know yet. Yeah. I think it is.
Well, I kind of want to see the white horse today. He's kind of the boss of all the other horses. So let's head down this way. This is where the horses go.
What a nice little arena. Yes.
Very nice. So let's head on in.
I think so. I don't know.
Oh, here's one right here. You see the white one?
No, I don't see
I don't see the white one at all. Well, hello, buddy. You want to come out? All right, here's another friend. Eddie likes his goats.
And it's Giselle. Kind of rhymes with gazelle. Come here. Come here. I need you. I need your collar. Come here. I gotta go get some feed because I gotta grab one of the girls.
Alrighty.
Hold it up. Come here.
Well, hello. How are you? Well, hi. Yes. Okay, you're feeding them? Okay. So we're going to cross this little bridge, as long as I don't fall in the creek. There's Eddie in the tree. Well, let's head this way and go back over the bridge. Oh, there goes a couple. Oh, hello, buddy. Well, how are you? Do you want your picture taken again today? Oh, you do too. Okay. Okay. And you want your picture taken. Alrighty. Over the bridge.
Good. Head on over. Don't fall.
I'll try not to fall. You want to eat the camera? You do? Okay. I see that. All right, let's head back up here.
I don't like how tight her collar is.
You want to loosen it up?
No, she's hard to catch.
You going to loosen it up then?
She's just going to run from me. I got to wait. girls.
The newest ones right here, they're a little shy, but they're becoming more friendly. Today's my son's birthday, and I thought since I'm here, I'd come out and get the goats today. Eddie's trying to catch one goat. She keeps running from him because the collar's too tight. He wants to loosen it up. He's catching all the other goats, but not the one he needs. Eddie has these goats. They're just pets. He's rescued all of them. He's given them a very nice home. They are very enjoyable. I didn't know goats were so much fun. Oh, there he is. That's the one whose collar's too tight.
No.
No, that's not the one.
No. I'm using him as bait.
Oh, it's the new one.
The new one I can't catch.
Oh my. It's going to be very hard to catch the new one because it's still frightened. But you're still going to have to catch it because the collar's too tight. Well, he's an awful friendly goat, and he's awful pretty. Eddie rescued that big one. They were going to kill him.
Yeah, meat goat, he's a boar.
They were going to make him meat, something to eat. What if you had some food to give the goat? Would it come to you?
The issue is one of the boys is territorial, and he'll like, if she's near me and he's near me, he'll buck her. He'll
Oh. They're territorial. Okay.
Dominance. They're dominant. No, you can't. No. I don't need you out here.
Well, they're out. They don't want to go back in.
Oh, they will. Come on. They're coming back.
Oh,
in.
he's so cute.
Come on, big boy.
This is the big boy right there.
In. Go in. Thank you. Her. She's.
They're a little frisky, aren't they?
This way. This way. Go on. In there. Sorry, I didn't mean to choke you to death.
They have fresh water?
Yeah. Well, I'm going to get some more right now.
Yeah. Gonna get the goats some water.
Yep.
It's a warm day today.
All right, come closer. Come on. I got her.
Oh, you did get the one that has the collar?
Yep.
It's a little tight.
It's
And you did get her. Good. Good.
Yay.
Yes.
Yay.
All right, so now I've located the horses. That white horse, as you look, he's looking at me. Oh, yes. He is the bossy one. He knows what you're doing, and he knows what the other horses are doing. They eat grass. That's what they do. I'm a city girl. Can you tell? Farming isn't for me. Oh, wait, he's coming over. I told you. Here he comes. Well, hello. He's going to check me out. Yes, you're going to check me out. This is the boss right here. And you see he came right over to me. He's going to watch me for a while. And there goes Eddie out in the field. Going out to the horses for something. I just noticed that those large bugs that are all through town, I just went through a couple drive-through restaurants and they came in the car, but they're not out here in the country like they are in the city. It's amazing. Oh, there's Eddie riding bareback. Oh boy. And if you notice our nosy white horse, as you see, she's headed over there because she's seen Eddie. And she wants to know what he is doing. You see her looking? And she is going to follow him because she is the boss of the farm. There she goes. She wants to know where he's going. Maybe that's her mother. That wouldn't surprise me, and she's hurrying along.
It's a Mustang.
Oh, look, here comes the white horse again. Now, that horse went out to see what you were doing, and now it's coming back to see what you're doing. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video today with the goats and the horses. Thanks, Eddie, for letting us come out and see them. And thanks for joining my channel. Subscribe. And we'll be back to the farm another day. God bless.